Hello. This is a program which is used to find if a number is happy or not. So first let's execute the program. It's asked me to enter an integer. It gives if it's a happy or sad number. When I say and, it gives me a dictionary of all the values and key value pairs. So basically, okay, in order to handle the exceptions, I have placed the code and try and accept. I've used this try and accept methods. So when the user has entered incorrect positive, it will print a user-friendly message asking, saying it's an invalid input and ask it to enter positive number. And in order to handle this combination, like if the user wants to terminate the program, he must use an end command. So in order, he might enter it in a mixed case, camel case, uppercase. So in order to avoid that confusion or error, I've used the lower function, which will handle that error as well. And this is where the individual this function is used to compute the sum of the squares of individual digits. And so okay, for every digit it calculates the square. So for every number, for every digit in that particular number, it calculates the square of that digit and then sums it up, which is stored in a value n. This is one of the accumulators, and the other accumulators I've used is the empty list over here, which stores the individual squares of digit values for, for each and every iteration. And the other is the results dictionary, which actually tracks all the entered use values entered by the user in key value pairs, associate like and also saying if it's a happy or a sad number. So those are the accumulators. And to address the other question on how does your code know when to stop operating on a sad number? So it's in the same function. So since we are tracking everything in a list, so these are the two conditions when the program would know if it's a sad number. So when it's not equal to 1, it is a sad number. And also it tracks the list of visited numbers. If it's not in visited, it is fine, we can append it. So when it's already in the list, it means it's repeating, and it's not sum of the squares of individual digits is not equaling to 1. So it's just it would the program would understand, the code would understand that it's a sad number, and it would terminate the loop. So this is how it functions, this program works.